Would you expect waterfalls and swimming holes in the middle of the New Mexico desert? Neither did we, but that's exactly where we're headed today. We're leaving our home base at the Carlsbad, New Mexico KOA and driving to Sitting Bull Falls, a hidden oasis tucked into the Chihuahuan Desert. This spot is fed by natural springs that flow year-round, creating waterfalls and clear pools surrounded by bright green trees and canyon walls. Sitting Bull Falls was once a gathering place for Native American tribes and later a rest stop for travelers crossing the desert. Today, it's the perfect place to cool off, splash around, and let the kids loose, especially on a hot New Mexico day like this. Let's see if this desert drive really leads to a waterfall.
Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
Where's my swimsuit?
It's in the bag, honey. I'll change you into it when we get there. That'll work.
There's no acting issue. He would just want to sit down.
From the parking lot, it's an easy walk to the water. A short paved trail leads straight to Sitting Bull Falls, making it wicked accessible for families. In just a few minutes, the desert scenery gives way to shaded trees, flowing water, and natural pools. Go get in the waterfall. Proof that you don't have to hike far to find something pretty amazing out here.
There's fish in there?
See?
Oh yeah, there is. There's little tiny fish in there.
I like how deep it is.
Let's see if I can...
It's so cold. It's freezing.
It's totally freezing. Is it slippery?
Not too bad. I missed a little bit, but not too bad.
Very slippery. I almost fell like two times.
You got it.
Come in.
You're in.
Is that down there? This is
It's
freezing.
like 72.
In no way.
Yeah.
72 feels like
I'm in, Mom. It took me a minute. Mommy, it's freezing.
I know. I'm trying to find a place to stand.
You're gonna be glad you were.
Isn't that beautiful though?
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Daddy's freezing, Daddy.
I know.
It's upside down, but go ahead. I got it this way. Woo! Danny, don't do that with my foot.
Hey. No, don't push me.
I'm not gonna push you. It is? Are you gonna...
No, it feels good now. It feels good now. Sorry about that.
One of the coolest parts about Sitting Bull Falls is that it's not just one waterfall. As you follow the creek, you'll find multiple falls, small cascades, and shaded hiking paths that wind along the water. Some sections even take you through a short, partially enclosed tunnel carved into the rock, adding a little more adventure as you move from pool to pool and discover what's around the next bend. This is so cool. This is like a half a tunnel. Over the thousands of years, the water carved out this rock here. Made almost a tunnel in here. Pretty cool. Look at this. This is so awesome. Big step, big step.
As we hike back from the falls, this place still feels a little unreal. Waterfalls, shaded trails, and cool pools right in the middle of the desert. Sitting Bull Falls definitely surprised us, and is a spot we're really glad we explored together. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss what's next. Our next stop takes us to the bright white dunes of White Sands National Park, and we can't wait to bring you along. We'll see you on the next adventure.